If your invite link is not working on Hamster Kombat, here's how we can fix it. So you might notice that when you click on your Telegram app and you're in your Hamster Kombat, sometimes when we click on friends and we want to invite friends outside of Telegram, you're going to see that the text is not copied. Well, an easy fix for that is to go to the app settings. So we're going to close the Telegram app and then we're going to go to our settings. And then under settings, we're going to go to apps. We're going to click on all apps and we're going to be looking for Telegram. So here in our Telegram, we're going to go to storage and cache. And then we're going to click on clear cache. So after clicking on clear cache, we're going to close our settings and go back to the Telegram app. And we're going to go back to Hamster Kombat, click on play. And then when we're here, we're going to go back to friends and we're going to tap on the copy link once again. And now you can see the text is copied and that has been successful. If you tried that and it's still not working, you can simply click on the refresh from the list of your friends here. We're going to tap on it. Of course, when you tap on it, it's going to give you a number of seconds where you have to wait before refreshing again. And then you're going to close your Telegram app, restart your internet, make sure that your Telegram app is updated, and then come back. And there, you're going to be able to copy your invite link. And another option to take, if that's still not working, is to simply click on invite a friend here. And of course, it might take you to where you can forward it to. You can decide to forward it to yourself or in the saved messages. So we're going to click on saved messages and we're going to paste it here. And now that we have this, you're going to notice that at the top, you have the invite link. The others are really just some introductory information for others to know. And then it's also highlighted in blue. So we're going to click on the backspace. And there you have the standalone link, which you can use on any other platform which you would like. So all you need to do is to send it here and then tap on it and click on copy at the top. And there you have it. You now have the link copied to your clipboard where you can invite friends in other platforms. So this is how to fix the invite link not working on Hamster Kombat.